This is Mahr's digital micrometer. It can also wirelessly transmit all the data that it collects. But let me show you something that blew my mind. This is just one piece of plastic, and here is the micrometer. This is going to get me the exact thickness of the plastic. Dang, 8,500 thousandths. That's a mouthful. So I could go all day trying to find something skinnier than a grocery bag piece of plastic. But I'm going to show y'all some more amazing features about the micrometer. So that micrometer actually came inside this kit. It has an indicator and a caliper with this chip right here. This eye stick will connect multiple Mahr tools. Check this out. Right here I have the micrometer and indicator connected. I took a measurement with the micrometer, that's on cell 1. When I take a measurement with the indicator, it puts it under cell 2. Let's add another tool, the caliper. First we change the computer to channel 3 and then clear the caliper and then click connect. Now it's connected to the computer. We can start taking measurements. Since this is the third tool we connected, it'll put all data under cell 3. So any measurements on cell 3 are the caliper, cell 2 is the indicator, and cell 1 is the micrometer. It doesn't matter what tool or when you use them, it'll put the right measurement in the right spot. So you can take multiple measurements and know they are all being recorded in the proper spot. So what do y'all think? These are some pretty amazing tools. Y'all can go check them out at pentoolco.com.